Herbs are a natural way of treating acne. You see, herbs contain healing compounds which can fight acne by reducing inflammation, killing acne bacteria, and regulating oil production. In today's video, we will be discussing the top 5 herbs that fight acne effectively, so make sure to watch this video till the end so that you don't miss any herb. And also, we have a special gift for you at the end of this video, so stay tuned. Before we begin, please take some time to subscribe to the channel. If you find our videos helpful, please support us. Your support motivates us to create more videos. Let's start with the first herb, rosemary. This herb contains antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and antifungal properties that help in getting rid of acne scars and marks. The antifungal property helps in eliminating the fungus that grows due to humid weather or wearing dirty clothes or helmets. It also reduces the appearance of red acne marks. The anti-inflammatory property of rosemary helps soothe acne-induced redness and puffiness. To use it, mix a few rosemary leaves in boiling water and let it steep. After that, strain the mixture and apply it on your face with a cotton ball. Let it sit for 15 minutes before rinsing thoroughly with lukewarm water for best results. Use it twice a day. Second on our list is lavender. This herb has strong antibacterial properties that destroy acne bacteria and prevent the formation of pimples. Its anti-inflammatory properties reduce acne redness and swelling. Lavender essential oil is highly effective in getting rid of acne scars, too. To get rid of acne, add a few drops of lavender essential oil into a cup of warm water and mix well. Dip a cotton ball into the water and apply it on your face. Let it sit for 15 minutes and rinse it off with lukewarm water. Use this pack twice a day to see good results. The third herb on our list is oregano. This herb has high levels of antioxidants and antibacterial compounds like carvacrol and thymol. These compounds kill the bacteria that cause acne and help in getting rid of pimples. Oregano also has anti-inflammatory properties which helps calm acne redness and puffiness. To use it, you can either consume oregano oil or sprinkle dried oregano leaves on your food. Both the methods are equally effective in getting rid of acne, but if you are using oregano oil, then use it with caution as it can cause skin irritation. Always do a patch test before using it. Fourth on our list is green tea. Green tea has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties that help fight acne. It kills acne bacteria and reduces sebum production, which eventually gets rid of pimples and redness caused by acne. It also fades away acne scars and marks faster. To use green tea, you can either drink it or apply it topically. Drinking green tea helps flush out toxins from the body, which aids in getting rid of acne, while applying green tea topically directly on your face can reduce inflammation and redness. Either way, both the methods are good to treat acne. But if you are looking for topical application, then it would be better to use it with a moisturizer. Mix a teaspoonful of green tea powder with a teaspoonful of moisturizer and apply it on your face. Leave it for 15 to 20 minutes before washing it off with lukewarm water. Do this once a day for best results. The fifth herb on our list is aloe vera. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial properties, aloe vera is one of the most effective herbs for getting rid of acne. It reduces redness and puffiness caused by acne. Its anti-inflammatory property heals acne scars and marks faster. It also keeps your skin hydrated and moisturized, which is very important when you have acne. To use it, take a fresh leaf from the plant and remove the transparent gel. Apply the gel on your face and let it sit for 15 minutes before washing it off. Do this once a day to get the best result. Now that we have discussed all the herbs, let's see how you can make an effective herbal tea to get rid of acne. Take 1 teaspoonful of dried oregano leaves, half teaspoon of dried rosemary leaves, 1 tablespoon of dried lavender buds, and 1 tablespoon of dried green tea leaves. Add all these herbs in 1.5 cups of water. Boil the mixture, and once it starts boiling, turn off the gas and let it steep for 1 hour. Strain the mixture and drink it. You can drink this tea twice a day to get rid of acne faster. Apart from using these herbs, there are a few things that you should note to get rid of acne. First, wash your face in the morning and at night with a mild cleanser. Don't scrub your face too much as it can irritate your skin and make acne worse. Also, avoid popping and squeezing pimples as it can push the infection deeper into your skin and can cause more inflammation. Second, increase the intake of vitamin-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, fermented vegetables, etc. Vitamin C and E are the most important vitamins to fight acne. Vitamin C helps regulate sebum production while vitamin E reduces inflammation. Third, manage stress by practicing yoga, meditation, etc. Stress hormone causes an increase in sebum production, which triggers acne. Getting enough sleep is also very much important to reduce the impact of stress on your skin. Now that you know what kind of diet you should be eating to get rid of acne, let us check out the recipe of one such snack that will help you get rid of acne faster. This snack is rich in vitamin C and E, both of which are very much required to fight acne. This snack is very easy to make and requires only 2 ingredients, which are readily available in your kitchen. Let's start. First, take a cup of mixed berries like blueberries, raspberries, and blackberries. Add these berries into a blender. Now add a ripe avocado into the blender. Blend all these ingredients. For a while, the mixture will look something like this. This smoothie is rich in antioxidants and vitamin C and E, both of which will help in fighting acne faster. Thank you for watching this video. We hope that you find this video useful and informative. Please ask your queries in the comment section below. We will try our best to reply to all your queries. Also, if you like this video, please hit the like button and share it with your friends. This encourages us to create more videos like this. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Stay healthy, stay fit.